Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you guys the new feature on Design Space, and it's the monogram feature. So you need the subscription in order to use the monogram feature. So you have to have the Cricut Design Space subscription, the monthly subscription. And so you click on designs, or you click on monogram, sorry. And let's just say we want to put our initials. So I'm going to do my girlfriend's initial. And then down here, you can do a circle. So there's framing for it. There's a whole bunch of different framing you can use. Let's just do that circle for now. Then you can pick the style of text. And I think I like handwritten text. Let's see. Oh, I like that. That's cute. Or you can do more modern text. And then you scroll down and look. You can do vintage text. Or you can do thematic, and you can look at these and see which one you like. So all these are pretty cute. If you're into plants and floral and stuff, you could also change that. There's decorative, and there's a whole bunch of decorative stuff, or occasions, interests. That's cute. They have some pretty cute ones. Or sports. Super cute. So for mine, I'm going to, since I'm putting this on ear pods, I think I'm going to do something simple. So let's just do, it's so hard when they give you so many options. Then it's like, what do I want? Okay. I'm going to go with this one. Then we're going to add it to canvas. And so it's 2.5 inches. Now I'm going to go and make this. And so there's different layers for this. You see that? Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do this because I don't have all the color vinyls for this. So let's go back and let's just do a simple classic one. Let's do handwriting. Let's do this. Add it to canvas. So it looks like this. Then I'm going to click make it. On my mat, continue. And I'm going to do a letterhead. Okay, so that looks quite big still. So I'm going to actually go in and I'm going to make it a tad bit smaller. Like that. So I always gauge my size when I look at the mat for cutting. For some reason, it's just a lot easier for me. There you go. So I'm going to continue and I'm going to cut this and then I'll show you how it looks like after. Okay, so this part is pretty easy. After you cut it out, you just basically weed it and then you stick it on whatever you desire. So this first one I'm going to weed it and then I'm going to put it on my earbuds because we all have the same ones and sometimes it gets all over the place and nobody knows which one's theirs. So it gets quite annoying. There you go, voila. And then now I'm going to do the kids' beads because they all have the same ones too. Well, the case is the same, but the color inside's different. So, but it's still really hard to know which one unless you open it. So it's super fun. You can literally stick it on anything. I hope you guys tried this feature. It's super fun and easy. If you like our video, Please subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next crafting video. Have a good day, friends. Bye!